All parties Hurriyat Conference has urged the people of occupied Kashmir to visit the grave of Sayyid Ali Gilani in Srinagar on Sunday to pay tribute to the iconic resistance leader on his third martyrdom anniversary. APHC leaders highlighted the martyr leader's peerless contribution to the Kashmiris' ongoing struggle for right to self-determination. Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, arrested 6 more youth in occupied Kashmir. The troops associated with the Indian Army's Rashtriya Rifles and Central Reserve Police Force during a cordon and search operation arrested 6 youth, including a minor, Mohit Ali Bhatt, in the Kulgam district. Top jailed Hurriyat leadership has strongly condemned the upcoming elections in occupied Kashmir, calling them a facade and attempt to legitimize New Delhi's illegal occupation. All parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Musarrat Alam Butt and Democratic Freedom Party Chief Shabir Ahmad Shah, in their messages from New Delhi's Tihar jail, said the elections in occupied Kashmir, held under the shadow of over a million Indian occupation troops, are nothing more than a military exercise. Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party regime has attached the property of 2 more Kashmiris in the Kupwara district. An Indian police team attached 2 canals and 6 marlas land owned by Asad Mir and Manzoor Ahmad Qureshi. The attachment was carried out on the stereotypical allegation that the men support the plebiscite demand as per the United Nations resolutions. Bharatiya Janata Party has decided not to contest several key seats, including 8 valley seats, in the upcoming elections for the occupied Kashmir Assembly elections, as the party fears a humiliating defeat. A total of 279 nominations have been filed for 24 seats in the first phase of the polls. However, BJP is noticeably absent in the several crucial constituencies in the occupied Kashmir.